What if you could chat with the Joker himself? Not some cloud-based AI, but a 100% private, offline AI chatbot, running only on your PC. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a Joker AI chatbot that works without internet, no data sent to OpenAI, Deepseek, or any cloud servers. It's actually pretty easy. Watch till the end to get the full code and setup guide. Before we start, let's check out the final Joker AI in action. Notice how it responds exactly like the Joker: dark humor, playful chaos, and emojis. We trained this using a dataset filled with Joker dialogues, quotes, and AI-generated phrases matching his personality. Now let's build it. First, we need to set up a few things. Install VS Code and Python. You can use any editor, but I recommend VS Code. Also, make sure Python is installed. If not, grab it from python.org. Next, we install Ollama. This lets us run AI models offline. Go to ollama.com, download and install it. Once installed, open CMD and type Ollama pull Deepseek R1:1.5B. This downloads the 1.5B model, perfect for low RAM/VR. If you have a powerful PC, you can try 7B, 8B, or 14B for even better results. We are using Deepseek, our one reasoning model, as it's much powerful than others. Now, let's write the code. Don't worry, I have already prepared codes for you all. I'll give a quick overview. The full code is on GitHub, link in description. So what exactly the code does? Loads Deepseek AI model locally. Train it on the character with provided datasets. Creates a Joker-themed chat UI with Gradio. Uses CSS to add custom styling and Joker visuals. Dark/light theme. And multi-language support. Now before running code, install Gradio. Type pip install Gradio in UR. Versus code terminal. Run the script and get a local link. Paste this in your browser and boom. Your fully offline Joker AI chatbot is ready. Now if you want to download as app, do this. By the way, I made this chatbot in dark theme. So from settings you can change theme to dark, otherwise text font will not be visible. Okay, that's it guys. This is my first video. I'll be making more character chatbots and AI training videos. Subscribe, like, drop a comment with your favorite character, and I might train an AI chatbot just for them. If you need help, the code and full guide is on GitHub. Link in description. That's it for today. Take care and see you in the next AI build.